You are welcome to ShiningFolake Craft today. Today we are going to be treating ball. We are going to be using bead to do our ball, to do a ball today. This is the ball. We are using glass bead. You take a reasonable length of fish line that you can control. Let me say 1 or 1.5 inches. This is the bead that we are using today, brown bead. We are doing a ball. So to first start, we are going to count the one I've done. We have 5 as the basic, as the foundation. I'm using 5 for a start. Then 1, 2, 5. So you take the 5 bead inside the fish line, take it down. Then you now tie. You tie gently. You tie the bead gently. You tie it gently. It should not be too firm, too tight, and should not be too loose. Then you take the fish line closer to the bead, to one of the bead. Take it inside to one. Can you see? Then the bead will be at the center of the fish line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now the next step, we are going to use 4 bead. That is the 4 bead. So we take one fish line, the one that is at the right hand. We first put 3 bead. Can you see? 1, 2, 3. Plus the one that we picked before. Then we now take the last one to interlock it. To put it together the way I'm doing. You put it together. Then we are having something like 9 beads together now. The 5, the foundation, which is 5, then plus the 4, making 9 beads. That, can you see? It has given us 8, the shape of 8. Then we are going to the next step. We are going to take the fish line that is at the middle of the bead. Take it inside to the next bead. You know, the foundation, we first start with 5th, with 5 bead. Then we take it inside like this. Then we are having two bead, different beads inside the fish line. Now we are going to take 3. Take 3 bead, 2. Then we now use the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th one to interlock. Then we now draw it down. Can you see the shape that we have given, that it is giving us now? So we are now going to take another 1 bead. We take another 1. So we are having 2. Then we go right into pick another 3. We fix 2. Then we now use the other one to interlock. Don't forget we are doing ball. The last one to interlock. To close it. So we are going to pick another bead. The 4th bead. We are going to pick the 4th bead now. After picking the 4th bead, we go and take another 3. We are taking another 3. We put 2 in the fish. We put 2. Then we now use the last 3 to interlock it. So this is the last 5th. The last 5th, we have to use the 3. We'll be left with 3 beads here now. Then we pick the 2, making 3. Then you now pick 2 beads now. The first one will go inside, then you use the second one to interlock. Can you see we have gotten half of the ball? Angle 180, we have gotten half of it. To go further to the next step, we are picking one on top of the bead. You pick one bead, then you now go and take three. You now add three to it. You first add two, the third one you take it, you use the third one to interlock. So we pick another one. And the second one, then we'll be having three now. Then we are going to use two. The first one, we go in, then we now use the second one to interlock it. This is how we do it to get the ball that we want to. If you have any question, kindly drop it at the comment box. And if you want me to repeat it again, I will. Then we take another two that is close to the fish line at the left hand. We pick two. Then we now take two bead. One. Then we use the second one to interlock to close it. Can you see we are almost there? So remain two steps to close the ball. So we are picking another two. One, two, the nearest bead, the two. Then we now add another two to it. The first one, then the second one to close it, to interlock it. So this is the last stage. We are having 8 now, 8 ball. Then we are going to divide it. You first pick the first one, the first 4, 3, the fourth one. Here we are going to pick only one bead to close it. Since we are having 8, we put this one to interlock. Can you see? That is the end of it. Then you tie gently. That is it. So very easy to do. You can try it at home. You try it at home. You can use it for anything. You can use it for a earring. You can use the ball for earring. Even you can use it to play ball. You can use it for bangle. You can use it to do ring. It's easy for bangle. You can use it for ring. You can use it for hair ring. So can you see, very easy. If you have any questions, kindly drop it at the comment box. You can add more bead to it to make it you can use it as key holder. When you add more bead to it, you use it as key holder or as ring. So if you have any question, kindly subscribe to my channel. Click the notification table button for you to get more to get notified when next I drop another interesting video. Can you see what it has given us? Thank you for subscribing to my channel.